Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to this week's video. Okay, I changed the intro because, well, I don't have the product in my hand. So, if you guys want to know about the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam, high definition control foam that is in my hand, that's been in my head for a month, stay tuned. Okay, I am finally talking about the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam. It's in high definition foam. I'm gonna bring it up closer, even though there's gonna be a picture right over there. Okay, y'all know what I normally do. I run down what I've used, and I have a table full of products because this month I had some conditioner difficulties. So let's run down. Started with the Curl Nourish from Garnier Fructis Fortifying Shampoo. This was a viewer request with the conditioner and the curl cream. This was a viewer request from my sister Donna. I have that much of the conditioner left. So we had to jump into the Long and Luxe conditioner. We had to jump into that for like 1 week because I have like this much of that left. So that prompted me to have to go to the Target and pick up an OD, but a goodie. Yes, the Pantene Moisture Boost Conditioner from the Gold Series. You guys, y'all watch that video. Y'all know I had over 2,000 views on that video, and I am still marveled by that, the views on that video. And I thank you all still for watching that video, loving that video. That was the last week. I'm actually going to keep using that conditioner because I do love that conditioner. If you guys want to know how I felt about that product, all videos for all these products that I'm talking about are linked above because I've talked about each of these products in different videos, like the lemongrass leave-in from Albatross Naturals. That was my leave-in conditioner that I used. My deep conditioner is my jam, the high porosity moisture correct mask from Shea Moisture. This is the one with the magango and hemp seed oils. That was the deep conditioner I used the whole month. For the co-wash, I'm running down this quick because we're going to get to the star of the show. And for the co-wash, we did the Long and Luxe Grow Wash Cleansing Cream Conditioner. This is what we used here. I'm about to have to go. I'm got this much of that left, so that means I have to go get some more of that also. But let's get to the star of the show. But what did I use in combine of the star of the show? I used the melanin, long-lasting definition, twisting, elongating styling cream. I had to read the bottle. Y'all see how much I got of this left. Videos above and below, all of these. I'm going to tell you something about this in combination with this. This is probably my favorite combination. I didn't even use a different combination with the mousse because this gives a knit ton of moisture. I'm not going to cuss in this video because we're going to get to the star of the show, the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam High Definition Mousse. This was a viewer request from my sister Pam. So Donna's request was used and Pam's request was used also. My sister Pam and my oldest niece Chris, they asked me to pick this product up and they said, "Yo, can you use it and let us know what you really think of it?" So I said, "You know what? I will." My sister Lisa already bought it. She told me, she gave me a couple of tips on what to do. So I said, all right, I'm going to try it. I was super duper excited to try this. I actually had a different product I had in mind for the month of June, but I ended up changing up and going to this product next because I wanted to see, because I have used a foam before. I have used the mousse before. If you guys go back a couple of years, I want to say it was 3 years ago, around this time of year, I was doing my Wash and Go Chronicles series of different products to do wash and goes with. I used the Design Essentials mousse. I had to think about that really quick. Bottles in my head. I did not keep that bottle. If you guys want to know how I felt about that, above. Or if it's not above, it'll be below, of course. All of my videos are linked. That how I felt about that. But let's talk about the Doux Mousse Def. Uh, where in the heck do I start? This was, I remember using it the very first time, and I was amazed at how my hair looked, how my curls clumped, how my hair looked. Right now, I am on day 6 hair. Tomorrow's wash day. This is day 6 hair. You still see a ton of curls, gray hair popping. You still see a ton of curls. This, like I said, this combo was the best combo ever because this brought in the softness and the moisture that I needed, and it kept the mousse from being hard and having a cast like a gel would. Well, it's a different kind of cast than a gel, but it has a bit of a cast. This is my favorite stuff. I think probably this much has been used, and I did my hair was in 4 sections. I did 3 pumps per section. I think the bottle says only use 2 pumps. I used 3. You can use this on so many different styles. I mean, if you look at the back on the bottle, it says defines, shines, and conditions in 1 step, fights frizz. Wash and goes, twist outs, rod sets, pixies, blowouts. I am using this again. I'm not even gonna ask the question, would I use it again? I'm gonna use it again because I have seen videos of people using it on rod sets and things like that. I did not know I could use it on a blowout. I did not realize I could use it on a twist out. Those are things I do. I will not. You might see this product pop back up again later on a twist out just for the hell of it. I love this product. I may let Reginald use it once. He can't keep it though. He gets a lot of the reject products. You all know we did a video on that. But I do want to see how this works in his hair, which I already have a feeling it's going to work fine, but I do want to see it. I do want to see it, but pun intended. But this, oh my goodness, this is probably I think this is my favorite product so far, starting summer. I started summer off with a bang, and I'm so happy that I did with this product. I already know what the next product is going to be for July. But I'm gonna run through this kind of quick because it's Saturday morning. I'm in the middle of cleaning house, and I wanted to get this out. Threw a little something on my face so I can get this video for you guys, and so Pam and Chris can finally hear how I feel about it. You all have seen this product in my hair through some past videos. Actually, you saw it in the last 3 or 4 videos actually. And like I said, I can't do anything but rave about this product. All pictures are going to be shown over here of my hair wet, progressed through. I mean, my hair is still, right now my hair is a little dry because it is time to wash it. And I did not co-wash my hair this week. This was a short week. Today is what's today? The 6th of July. So 4th of July was just a few days ago, and I had a short work week. So this, like I said, and I got lipstick on my finger. I'm such a dork. I'm going to end the video here because I don't have anything else to say. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Like I said, I did it. I actually did it in the shower with my hair soaking wet, which that's the way I do my wash and goes, so I can get the best definition. And that is all. That's it. I don't think there's anything else to say. I'm gonna get out of here. I've run 16 minutes long because of some snafus that I've had. So I'm gonna get on out of here. If you guys have any questions about this product or any other products that I used on my hair, talk to me below. If you guys have any product suggestions that you guys want to see, any products that you guys want to see me talk about, also talk to me below in this video. And you don't know, I might have it sitting over here in my little shelf here full of products I haven't used, or I might be able to just go ahead and buy it. You never know. So I'm gonna get out of here. I've done enough rambling and raving about the Doux. I'm gonna go. I have things to do. It's a Saturday morning. And I don't know. I just got stuff to do. So, have any questions? Please talk to me below. And if you guys like videos like this, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'm out. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.